Guys, we have Miss Abby Poblador here for good time, short time, and long time. So Miss Abby, alam mo naman yung rules. Yung isa lalagay mo sa good time, yung isa sa short time, at yung isa ang pang long time mo. So let's start with good time. Isa sa tingin mo ang pang good time lang. Yung coffee lang, walang mangyayari. Platonic friends lang talaga.
Siguro siya.
Slick Rick.
Slick Rick.
Yes! Okay.
Mukha siyang friendly.
Mukha siyang friendly. Kung tayo sa short time at sa long time. Short time muna.
Short time, syempre ikaw.
Ako pang short time.
Mukhang short time.
Ako pang short time. Okay sa akin yun. And of course, pang long time,
Pag long time, siguro si Tony.
Tony.
Why?
Si Tony na. Kalbo eh.
Ay.
Parang tatay.
Parang tatay. Thank you.
Thank you.